Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Grandama espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work as we had to replace the coupling carafe, the one that is located really deep inside this machine. You basically have to remove some of the panels and a lot of parts in order to get this one right out of the machine itself. This one is connected right here. Like I said, there's a lot of parts to get in order to get to it. We ended up replacing it, and we also did a tune-up on this machine, replacing the brew unit. This is the older brew unit, relubricating everything inside of it, especially the transmission, replacing the gasket of the generator, giving a deep clean on the spouts, as well as a cleaning cycle and a descaling cycle on this machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this machine, but we're gonna do it in a different way. We're gonna use the cappuccino function. That way we can use the carafe, which the customer was having problems originally, and then we can do that espresso shot over there. Okay, right now the machine is on cappuccino mode. It's telling us to put the froth in the position number 2. Now the frother that belongs to this machine is no longer available, this one specifically. We have the newer version, which doesn't have the number 2 setting, but it has a couple of more settings, like cafe latte, latte macchiato, or cappuccino. So you have 3 different settings over here. And as you can see, you can check the difference between them. Should I pick a much bigger container so that way we can see it better? But you can see how it diminishes or increases whenever we pull these up and down. Now we're doing the espresso shot, doing a little bit of infusion, and then doing the extraction. We're using our test coffee, so it's going to, we're not going to get a lot of crema. Our test coffee is just on a container over there, so it's not like in a seal type bag or anything. So it does get, loses its freshness pretty fast. Alright, so that's the machine doing cappuccino. As you can see, the carafe definitely was working. And now let's just do a dedicated espresso shot. Alright, now I have a bigger cup, so hopefully this is the right quantity for this espresso shot. And as you can see, nice shot of espresso, white coffee, nice cup of coffee, good crema, good extraction, working the way it's supposed to. Hot water is also getting detected, the adapter is getting detected, and hot water, as you can see, has a nice heavy stream coming out, and it's working good. So there you have it, DeLonghi Grandama working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for playing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.